Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix class not registered error in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing class not registered error, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Just simply open your settings, and in settings just go to apps and then go to default apps. There's a default app. Select this, just scroll down to the end and just select reset to reset all Windows default apps. So let's say I'm gonna reset my app here. Just click on reset, then click on OK. So it will reset all your system default apps for Windows itself. So once it has been done, it can fix the issue for many of users. So if your issue still persists, you just have to press the start button and just search for CMD, then right click on it, run as administrator, then click on yes. And now on this section, you just have to enter a command. Just enter this command, which is sfc then space forward slash scan. Now just enter the command here, press enter. Now it might scan your PC, so if you have any corrupted files in your PC, it can be fixed in the steps. After that, you will not get the issue again. So you just have to wait for this. It might take several minutes. And once it has been done, you just have to enter this command. This is DISM space forward slash online, then space, then forward slash cleanup dash image, then space forward slash restore health. And once you have entered this command, your issue will be fixed. After completing the second process, you just have to restart your PC, and after restarting, you will not get the issue again. So let's say I'm gonna waiting for this one until it completes.